Planet Bollywood.
इस साल भी हम आपके लिए ले आए हैं क्लीन एंड क्लियर हैदराबाद टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस, जिसके ऑडिशंस हुए हैदराबाद में, where n number of beautiful faces participated for this contest. यहाँ रखा गया क्लीन एंड क्लियर करेज क्वेश्चन राउंड। यहाँ जजेस ने इन कंटेस्टेंट्स को पूछे सवाल और देखते हैं कैसे कंटेस्टेंट्स ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया जजेस के ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चंस पर।
Can you describe yourself in 3 sentences?
I'm a very sensitive girl, keeps on crying for each and everything. And at the same time, I'm very confident about myself, but it comes when somebody's they tell me that you sing very nicely, you look very good. It's not inbuilt. It's not built in me, that confidence.
Sir, as you know, my father is an army officer.
Okay.
And unfortunately, I lost him 5 years back.
Okay.
So, whatever I am as a human being today, it's all because of my parents, I believe. And every day when my dad used to get dressed in his uniform, he used to inspire me a lot. We are living such a peaceful life, and they are, guarding our borders and, having sleepless nights and protecting our country. And that really inspires me, sir. If they can do it, we can also do it, sir.
Love to me is acceptance, sir. I think there's this is a very strong feeling, and I don't understand why there's a lot of misconceptions regarding it, which are now growing. But love to me is very genuine. Love to me is like very pure.
यहाँ आए जजेस ने भी शेयर किया उनका एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट होस्टिंग दिस इवेंट।
It was fun. This is my first time judging a competition ever. I always shy away from these things. But it was a lot of fun watching these guys, watching their talent. And it's not easy to come up on a stage and do it. And I think Clean and Clear Fresh Face, Hyderabad Times Fresh Face, is doing an amazing job by actually showcasing talent in each and every state, and then bringing them together nationally and actually having one entire event, which is something I think all the youngsters should take part.
Well, this is the first time I'm judging something like this. I mean, I'm not very good with judging people and rating them. I don't like that, but it was so much fun doing that today. And I had Regina along with me, and then Ganesh with me, and they helped me out. I copied the marks from them, and I think the talent that's here in Hyderabad is fantastic. And I think that we from Hyderabad, I mean, all these guys from Hyderabad should go and represent, and maybe even win the title, because Fresh Face is a very big thing. I think a lot of actors and actresses have come along through Fresh Face, and I think this is an amazing platform. I wish I had something like this to participate in back when I was trying to get into films.
After this round, the judges took their time to choose the winners for the Clean and Clear Hyderabad Times Fresh Face. And finally, the judges announced the name of the 2 winners who won the Clean and Clear Hyderabad Times Fresh Face title. और Zoom से इन winners ने बात की और जाहिर की अपनी खुशी after winning the special title.
It is an unbelievable, feeling. I mean, I've worked really hard for this, and I dedicate this win to my dad, my mom, because I believe it's all possible because of my parents. And it was an amazing experience, right from our grooming session, makeover session. A special thanks to Mirrors for doing our makeover, and a special thanks to Mr. Ganesh who did our grooming session, who did our fashion routine. And it was really amazing. Amazing judges. I mean, I really love them.
When you have a dream and you achieve it, that's just the one sentence how it feels. It's amazing, and I'm going to take some days to believe it finally. I have always thought, that there is going to be a possibility I may get selected, I may not get selected. That factor of doubt has always been there, And at one point of time, I've just come to a point wherein I've decided that, what, just let it be. This was my dream, I'm here, and I'm going to give it my shot. And that's what I've been doing at every level of audition, and finally I'm here, and it's just unbelievable.
All in all, the event was wonderful, and it came to a lovely end. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.